Today we are going to list 20 important things you should know and or consider for your ads. This might just be what you need to make your first $100,000. Number 1. Create a conversion funnel. Tip number 20 is about how to make more sales from your ads. Wait till the end so that everything makes sense, all together. Number 2. Use Invideo to create stunning and properly sized videos. Link in description. Number 3. Use A/B testing. Number 4. Time is money, especially on TikTok. Number 5. Find a winning product. We have multiple videos on those too. Number 6. Capitalize on current trends. Number 7. Consider influencer marketing. Number 8. Have a giveaway to promote your product. Number 9. Use and or show testimonials. Number 10. Confirm if B2B or B2C is better for your promotions. Number 11. Capitalize on where your competition is lacking. Number 12. Use latest updates to your advantage. We actually posted a video on that too. Number 13. Plan your strategy before spending money. Number 14. Show that your product can solve your viewers' problem. Number 15. Find inspiration from ads on similar social media platforms. Number 16. Check what is making your viewer slide away or click off from your landing page. Number 17. Find inspiration from current ads that are very successful. Number 18. Show real people using and or interacting with your product. Number 19. Do a lot of testing to see what works. Number 20. Use upsells to make more money after your ads. Hope you learned something from this video which you can implement into your videos and ads. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our videos. We are here to help you become more successful. Check out this video where we talk about how to run ads this year. We reveal some secrets.